Welcome to the Construction Equipment Company's Roadrunner series crushing and screening sales and training videos. CEC and its employees are proud to build some of the highest quality portable rock crushing and screening equipment in the industry. The video you will be viewing today will be covering the sales features and benefits of one or more of the following: portable jaw crushers, portable cone crushers, portable horizontal impact crushers, vertical shaft impactors, portable screenits, 4x10, 5x12, 6x16, portable crushits, portable wash plants, sand screws, coarse material washers, blade mills, radial stackers and conveyors, and vibrating grizzly feeders. The CEC 4x6 2-deck Rascal Screenit. Construction Equipment Company would like to thank you for your time. CEC offers screenits in 5 sizes: the 4x6 Rascal, 4x10, 5x12, 6x16, and 6x16 3-deck. Today we will concentrate on the 4x6 2-deck Rascal. The Screenit is the most versatile portable screening plant available today. It can screen sand and gravel, compost, bark products, recycled materials, coal, golf course sand, wood waste, and a host of other materials. The versatile 4x6 Rascal Screenit is very mobile, can be set up fast, and is extremely productive. It has the ability to produce upwards of 100 to 200 tons per hour. The Rascal Screenit is completely self-contained diesel hydraulic. This plant has a feed hopper, feed belt, 4x6 2-deck screen, 2 product discharge conveyors, 47 horsepower Hotz air-cooled diesel engine, optional auxiliary drive valves with separate pumps, crank-down jack legs, hydraulic conveyor setup, and it's all-American built. Feed system. The open-throat direct feeder is the first aspect of total versatility, since it does not create the restrictions you find in all other portable screening plants. The 5.5 cubic yard feed hopper is variable speed and has ground-level manual control to adjust the speed. A remote feeder control is optional. The feed belt is 36 inches wide and provides excellent material feed to the screen. An adjustable material strike-off system is provided to give a consistent material load to the screen. In some materials, this may need to be positioned out of the way. CEC Screenits come standard with 14 5-inch heavy-duty flat return idlers in the feed area. These create a pan-like effect for material up to 8 inches and occasional pieces up to 12 inches. The second aspect of total versatility is the 4x6 2-deck screen. The screen has 70 millimeter bearings running in grease. The shaking action, or stroke, is fully adjustable with speed and stroke. The screen stroke is 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch, which is the largest in any screening plant in its category. This action provides a very hard-to-blind screen deck. This enables you to have a screen that can change right along with your changing materials. The screen runs on molded rubber isolators for quiet startups and shutdowns. All types of screen mesh, punch plate, Diamond Z, and harp screens can be utilized in the 4x6 2-deck screens and can be changed in a half hour or less. Another aspect of total versatility is the optional ball deck, which is built into the screen frame. This system, which no other portable screening plant can utilize effectively, gives you the ultimate ability to screen wet and sticky materials. The balls are contained in cages below the bottom deck. With the screen's action, the balls activate a motion in the bottom deck to keep it clean. It is advised that the Diamond Z, harp screens, and slotted screen mesh work best with the ball deck. The ball deck could be characterized as a screen deck with a cleaning system. The CEC 4x6 2-deck Rascal has 2 discharge conveyors for material stockpile. A 36-inch high-speed underscreen discharge conveyor returns the full length of the plant to deliver the minus material at the back of the Rascal for stockpiling. The second deck overs are stockpiled on an 18-inch side discharge conveyor, which also hydraulically folds for transport. It too runs at high speed and can stockpile 10 to 15 yards underneath its head pulley. They hydraulically fold out for operation and fold in for transportation. The plant is powered by a 47 horsepower HOTS air-cooled diesel engine. It has its own fuel tank, hydraulic tank, and control panel. This plant has an optional hydraulic circuit that can run additional hydraulic components like radial stackers and soil shredders. Feeding the Rascal. The CEC 4x6 2-deck Rascal Screenit can only be fed from the side. The hopper needs to always be full of material. The material will come up the feeder belt and onto the screen. The oversized material will go down the deck, down the overchute, and onto the ground. The material that passes the top deck, but not the second deck, will go out the second deck chute and up the rear side discharge conveyor for stockpile. The material which passes through the bottom deck falls onto the 36-inch underscreen conveyor and out the rear end of the plant for stockpile. Options. A soil shredder can be added to break up materials before they are screened. The shredder is mounted at the head pulley of the feeder just before material cascades onto the screen. Tiller tines blades, free-swinging flail blades, and bolted-on hammer blades are options. Other options include remote feeder controls, ball deck, and UHMW-lined hopper walls. Transportation and setup. To set up, simply pull the Rascal Screenit onto the job site, manually level the machine, remove the pintle hitch, hydraulically put the discharge conveyors into the working position, and begin making material. It's really that simple. The total time to set up the Rascal Screenit is about 20 minutes. When preparing to send the Screenit to its next job, simply reverse the setup procedure and you're ready to go down the road at highway speeds. Included as standard equipment are running lights, air brakes, spring suspension, mud flaps, and the pintle hook system. The versatility, productivity, and portability of the Rascal Screenit can make it a real profit maker for your company. The open throat feeder allows you to use one machine to produce a large number of products. The adjustable screen action and ball deck allow you to screen even the hardest to screen materials such as wet topsoil and compost. Plus, it's an all-American made machine. There is no other plant like this one on the market today. The CEC Screenit is the industry leader. It can screen the toughest and stickiest materials. Construction Equipment Company is proud to offer the finest crushing and screening equipment for today's ever-changing and demanding world. For further information, please contact CEC at 1-503-692-9000 or your local area dealer. Thank you.